Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make egg burritos. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 6 large eggs, 4 medium-sized tortillas, and any fillings you love, like shredded cheese, diced peppers, or a spoonful of salsa. Having everything prepped and ready makes the cooking process much smoother and more enjoyable. A good non-stick pan and a sturdy spatula are also essential tools for this recipe. Now, let's cook those eggs. Whisk your 6 eggs in a bowl with a splash of milk or water for extra fluffiness. Heat 1 tablespoon of butter in your non-stick pan over medium heat until it's melted and shimmering. Pour in the egg mixture and let it set for a few seconds before gently pushing the cooked portions towards the center, allowing the uncooked egg to flow underneath. Cook until they are just set, not dry. With your eggs perfectly scrambled, it's time to assemble. Warm your 4 tortillas briefly in the microwave for about 15 seconds each, making them pliable and easy to roll. Lay a warm tortilla flat and spoon about 1/4 of the scrambled eggs down the center. Now, pile on your favorite fillings. Think shredded cheddar cheese, a sprinkle of fresh cilantro, or a dash of your preferred hot sauce. To finish, fold in the 2 opposite sides of the tortilla over the filling, then tightly roll it up from the bottom. This technique keeps all those delicious ingredients securely inside. Serve your warm egg burritos immediately, perhaps with a side of extra salsa, a dollop of sour cream, or some fresh avocado slices. They're perfect for a quick breakfast or a satisfying brunch. Don't forget to check the description for a link to a fantastic book about money and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.